さっきこっちに来てる途中にテキサスだからこそ大きい車が多いことが説明したんだよね。これはテキサスといえばこういうトラックだよね。これはトラックだよ。テキサススタイルで。
Oh my gosh!
やっぱりトラック乗るならこの仕様だろう。ね。
That's
If
crazy.
you drive a truck, dude, that's not the way to do it. Or an SUV.
I'm gonna go like this. Ah! Whoa!
じいさん、かっこいいよね、これ。
That's freaking cool!
いいね。That's cool. That is spring radiator back there?
Yeah!
タイヤの匂いがいいな。The smell of tires.
Wow, that's neat!
これ楽しいイベントだよね。いろいろお天気もいいし、風があって、いろんなこうかっこいい車もあるし、知り合いとかこうね、しばらく会ってない人もいるんだよね。今なんか来た。Kim, do you remember this girl and her? I remember these two. Do you remember they take pictures and stuff in front of cars and stuff?
Yeah, I remember.
What's up, guys? How are you, man? Nice to see you. Nice to see you too. How you doing? Nice to see you. You got something?
Whoa! Whoa!
Wow, dude! You completely replicate. Look at the back.
Whoa!
You completely replicated my son's truck. Nice job. Hi, can I speak with the lawyer, please?
Please hold.
Hi, this is Steve. Can I speak with the lawyer, please?
Let me pass you to his voicemail.
Hey, it's Steve calling back again on my case. Can I speak with the lawyer, please?
The lawyer's not available right now, but he'll get right back to you, I'm sure.
If you've ever dealt with lawyers in the past like I have, you know exactly the frustration I went through. That's not the case anymore, particularly if you decide to use Morgan & Morgan. Morgan & Morgan is a 21st century law firm. No more sitting on hold, no more waiting for callbacks. If you have been injured in an accident, in 8 clicks or less, using your cell phone, you can easily connect with Morgan & Morgan. By simply dialing pound 529, that is pound LAW, or through your cell phone or on your computer, forthepeople.com. If you've been involved in something unfortunate, you can reach out to Morgan & Morgan. Thumbs up.
That's awesome!
I like it. And you have the place to drive this thing?
What?
Rack City.
That's
right there.
awesome.
Rack City って書いてあるんで. You have a track near here?
Oh, whoa, check out the back of his shirt, Steve.
Let's see the back of his shirt. うわ、すごい。Do you drift? ラックシティ、ラックシティ RC drifting. いいね。Hey, let's go check out your track. Awesome! Alright, are you gonna show me how this thing slides? Yes. Alright, show me. laugh at me yet. I'm gonna do what I specialize in.
Oh!
Sorry.
You weren't lying about the wrecking part earlier. You get the hang of it. Oh, there you go. There. Oh.
Almost as bad as my actual driving. Oh, there we go.
Oh, that was looking good. There you go.
Let's see if you got what it takes, Kim.
There it is. Woo! Trying to get to which direction.
She was telling me about gyros.
Yeah.
You may want to listen about that part, gyros. The point is, it's not very easy, is it?
No.
Driving a Honda Beat's a hell of a lot easier.
It's me getting which is right, which is left on this remote.
Aha! Kim-san, 86だよ。86の8だよね。あっちゃんの車っぽい。こういう赤と黒にのスイミングがあって、フロリダのナンバーだよ、フロリダのナンバー。フロリダから来たのかな。下の方もメッキのホイールに赤いテープと左ハンドル車。あっちゃんの車と同じ。
Ooh.
しかしダッシュも改造したの。They did a little bit of custom stuff on the dash in here. Everything else, I wonder if it's still a 4AG.
Don't know. See the foot is
You
vented?
like the little tilt of the hood?
For its venting?
The heat escape? かっこいい86発見。この1台しかなかったのかな。今の新しい86はあったんだけど、古いのはこの1台しかなかったんで、かっこいい。That's a good looking 86 right there.今日はすごい楽しい一日だった。いろんな人に会えたし、見たことない車もいっぱい見れたし、すごい楽しい。Taste of Tokyo, Smell of Tokyo, Sound of Tokyo. Kim, there was so much Tokyo here in Texas today. I feel Japanese already. How about you?
I do. It was amazing. It was awesome.
Did you taste it?
I tasted it. I smelled it. I felt it.
Smell it?
I heard it.
Hear it? Taste it. Kim, taste it.
I'm tasting it.
サムズアップ、日々年始前向きにやっていきましょうね。よろしくお願いします。キムさん、気をつけてお帰りください。Have a safe trip home, Kim. See you next time.